Hey everyone, it's January 28th. We got the morning market rundown here, and let's get into it. We got this intermediate time frame on the right. We mapped out three potential scenarios yesterday, and we're looking for a pullback into this election VWAP. Monitor to see if this election VWAP could hold, get back above the daily VWAP, and was looking to see if we could trade into that 2-day VWAP. That's happening right now. So this is our 3-day VWAP, Friday's VWAP. We're trading into in the pre-market right now. So we're trading into the 3-day VWAP right here. We rallied into it and starting to get a little bit of supply. We'll see if this level could hold. If we get a pullback, this 2-day VWAP could hold, get back up of the daily VWAP, and push us back up to the 607 area. So that's a situation that played out here. We're looking for the pullback to the election, get back up of the daily VWAP here, reclaim it, and then break into that 2-day VWAP. So these situations are relevant. Let's get into the situation for today. So perhaps what we would like to see is a little pullback down to yesterday's VWAP, get back above our daily VWAP, break that 3-day, and it's just like we talked about, fuel us that push back into the 607 area, and then maybe potentially get that continuation. If this situation fails and we break down, get a little rally in this area, access resistance, and we start to break below the 2-day, monitor a failure, potentially down to 592.47, the year-to-date VWAP, and a potential 586 area. So that's a potential scenario for the SPY today. Let's get into the QQQ. We talked about a mapped out scenario that we're looking for a pre-market hold, get back above the daily VWAP and go. And the Q's failed to show that strength. We actually rallied into that election VWAP. Year to date failed, rallied to a new low, and then got back up above that daily VWAP towards the close. So perhaps let's get rid of these annotations and map out some scenarios that we could potentially see. So we're up in here. So same situation. Perhaps we could get that 2-day VWAP, maybe undercut some of those stops, get back above a daily VWAP year to date, and maybe that's going to help us fuel us this push back into this 5-day moving average of 526. Keep in mind that it is now flat to declining, giving us a little bit more of a cautious standpoint. So if this flushes, gets back above our 2-day VWAP and daily VWAP, perhaps we can magnetize into that 3-day and back into this 523, 526 area. If this doesn't play out and we fail to hold this 2-day VWAP, monitor a break of yesterday for a continuation down to this 496 and then potentially 490 area. If you like this kind of analysis, please like and subscribe.